this is the unboxing video from P Wireless Incorporated. Let's see what's inside. Wow! It's a HUAWEI. Masyado naman siguro malaki yung box kung mobile phone to. Right. So this is the first HUAWEI LCD monitor. So what can you get inside the box? Is the seal? I'm secure. Check content if seal is broken. Young. Right. So first time to see this. It was just pre-ordered before. I downed around 1,000 pesos and the remaining balance was. This was on sale last March. Okay. So let's see what's HUAWEI tells us. Right. So there's a monitor. The unit price is 4,999. Yes, you heard it right. 4,499 for a HUAWEI. This is a HUAWEI LCD monitor, HUAWEI display to 23.8. Model is AD80HW. So the resolution is 1920 by 1080. Alright. So this is the HUAWEI's promoting. Aside, this was large together with their desktop. The powerful Ryzen. So what's inside the box? I really don't know because this is my first time to open a box. Oh, this is the AC cable. It's a 12 volts 2 amperes. Very low power consumption. Side included is a perfect HDMI cables are already included in the package. Tama. Then user manual po. Then top. It says stop. So just wait. On how sexy it is. Yes, I see the monitor and the plate. Very sturdy plate. The base plate. Charger, the manuals, the HDMI cable, and the stand for the monitor. Okay, so I'll just figure it out how to pull this LCD. Okay. Okay, so this is the monitor. I'm getting rid of all the boxes. Wow, perfect. So unboxing the 23-inch. Let's see if this is sulit pa ba sa price niya. Okay, so assemble na lang natin. Diretso na to. Para hindi na kayo mahirapan. Click lang ata to. Yan. Tapos, nag-fit na agad siya. Alright. Very sturdy. Tapos, yung clip meron. So, nag-secure naman siya. Ganyan. And then, for this is there's a groove para dito po. Then the locking mechanism is just a screw. Let's see how sexy it is. I'm using currently a Samsung 24-inch. So this will be my second monitor. Wow! Ang sexy. Ganda niya. Ganda niya, guys. Tapos, meron pa siyang tilt. Chang, chang. Although, you cannot hindi siya up and down. Hindi pwede ma-adjust yung height. Pero, tilt function wise, okay. Then, for desktop, it's good enough. Kasi malaki yung space. Yan. Sulit talaga. Tapos, siya? Napakanipis. So, wala lang akong testing ngayon. Check ko na lang. Currently. So, yun. So, test natin siguro using a MacBook. So, wait lang, guys. So, this is the power supply. And this is the monitor. So, dalawa lang, lang po yung, niya, display is HDMI, VGA, tsaka DC. No other options. As simplified as that. So, ganun lang. So, I'm excited to test this. So, I'll have another video for testing this. So, currently, yung unboxing video lang po yung andito. So, yan. Yan po yung sulit nakuha ko. For the price of $4,999 during the sale. T-Wireless Incorporated po. So, tilt. Ching! 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 Very solid yung base niya. Yan. Napakaganda ng monitor na to. So, this will be my second monitor for my setup. Okay, game! So, let's plug the monitor. Plug. Let's see. Wow. Yan, napakaganda ng kulay ng monitor, guys. Yan, tapos yung nasa menu niya, very simple lang. Click nyo lang sa baba. May brightness, input. Yung brightness is siya, percentage. Yan. May contrast rin. So, yung DCR? Cancel na. So, yun. Back. Tapos, meron din siyang sign dito, back. Yan, input. Kung i-hardcode nyo. Yan, HDMI. Tapos, meron din color temperature. Cool, natural, normal, low blue light. Then custom. And sa display, pwede mong mag-adjust yung sharpness. Tsaka sa display mode, meron ding mga original. Yan. Tapos overdrive. Tapos picture mode, standard, sRGB, game, text, movie. So, same at same lang po. So, very good. Sulit talaga. For the price, maganda naman yung kulay ng nito. Tingnan natin 4 pictures. Maganda talaga yung kulay. Enhance niya yung details. color wise accurate. Yan. Tapos color good. Yes. For photos, best. Ganda rin. Picture mode, try natin. Ganda talaga yung sRGB. Yan. Standard RGB. Perfect. So what's very sturdy. Kahit i-shake mo yung table. Yan. Maganda. Maganda siya to be used as extended display for your laptop or secondary display. Yan. Para sa mga multi-display setup. Okay. Sulit. And bye-bye.